In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up your Reddit app on your mobile device as you normally would. Now from here, we need to navigate to our account, top right hand corner of the page. Make sure you're on the right account or the right user to delete. Once you've done that, you want to click onto settings down at the bottom of the page. And then under general, we want to click on account settings for user and your name. So go ahead and click onto that. And now we're inside account settings. So from here, navigate to the bottom of the page and there'll be a big red delete button. So go ahead and click on delete. And then it will say, are you sure you want to delete your account? Once delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments, and messages are dissociated, not deleted from your account. So if you made any posts in that, it's not going to be deleted. So keep that in mind. So then if you like that, go ahead and click on yes, delete. And now choose an account to delete. So this is my account here. And now this is going to go ahead and delete my account. And once you're done, you'll say account deleted. Your account was successfully deleted and your profile will no longer appear on Reddit. If you like that, go ahead and click on OK.